What's the buzz about RPA? This is part 4 and the last part of this series explaining everything you need to know about robotic process automation. So last and final, how do you get started with RPA? Start easy and move at your own pace. This is very important. Many options are available for setup. You can get started with a cloud account that allows you to build a proof of concept in days. Or build your own infrastructure on-prem so you have full control over implementation. Start at an individual, team, department, region, company level. Slice the pie how you want. Just choose the right partner. This is a journey made up of industry-specific communities that share best practices for a smooth transition and easy scaling. You'll have access to an ecosystem of forums and training for your team. And because RPA works on top of your system in a non-intrusive way, the API-free integration capabilities of RPA easily work with platforms across the board. One of my favorite sayings in our industry goes, "We build bots so that we can be more human." In other words, let the bots do the boring work so that we humans can focus on the fun stuff. I hope you enjoyed my series on RPA. Feel free to reach out with any questions, and I'd love to help you get started on your RPA journey. As always, click the like button if you enjoyed, comment your thoughts and suggestions. I hope to hear from you, and for the last time on RPA, peace.